As I was mentioning, really make you miss the beach, don't they, Leanne? Splashing around in the water, toes in the sand, right?
I know. Yeah, there might not be any sand, but there is a lot of water and 80 degrees inside of Soaring Eagle Water Park, and not to mention some super hot and fabulous acts across the street at Soaring Eagle Casino and Resort.
Throw that snowsuit to the side and swap it out for a swimsuit. Splash the day away at Soaring Eagle Water Park. Coming up, Board Game Weekend, January 28th and 29th. You can enjoy various games, Simon Says, and Dress the Geezy, along with story time and crafts. It's so much fun. Now through February 24th, get 50% off all day passes. This deal is good Monday through Thursday. February 4th and 5th is Friendship Weekend. There will be craft giveaways, a game of ring toss with prizes, story time with Nokomis, and you can watch the movie Robot on Friday. And love is in the air. All you have to do is dine at the family restaurant from February 1st through the 14th for your chance to win some amazing prizes, including 1 overnight stay, 4 water park passes, and 2 concert tickets of your choice. Reservations are recommended by calling 989-817-4806. Now through March 17th is Arctic Escape. Mondays through Thursdays, $50 off the rack rate, and get water park passes, a goodie bag with 5 Arctic dollars to spend at Trader's Blanket Gift Shop. You can call 877-2EAGLE-2 for more details. Now let's turn the spotlight onto a few of the great acts hitting the stage across the street at Soaring Eagle Casino. Are you still in love with the 90s? Well, good. A nostalgic night on February 4th starring Vanilla Ice, Tone Loc, Rob Bass, Slick Rick, and the magnificent DJ Jazzy Jeff. Laugh along with one of the world's top comedians. Chris Rock has been making people laugh since he first started performing in the 80s. And alternative rock lovers will want to snag tickets for the February 19th show featuring Collective Soul with special guest Everclear. And don't forget actor, comedian, and television host Joel McHale. He hits the stage on March 11th. Fans love McHale, who's brought his talents to many entertainment aspects throughout his career. Styx has been wowing crowds for decades, and now you can see them at Soaring Eagle Casino on March 19th. To get tickets to these shows and other great acts like Santana, comedian Louis Black, and New Kids on the Block, just to name a few, go to etix.com or head to the Soaring Eagle box office. Swim, play, gamble, and sing at Soaring Eagle.